Welcome to the video. Today we did not came here to celebrate Hornbill Festival at Kisama, but we came here to witness how the rest of the Naga people are mourning along with the Konak brothers and sisters who were mourning on the death of the 14 innocent people killed by the paramilitary forces at Oting on Sunday. The entry gate of Hornbill Festival at Kisama. In most of the time during the Hornbill Festival, this gate used to be filled with the people, those who tried to get inside the venue of the festival, but today it looks empty. Some few volunteers are there, but no tourists is there. So let's go inside and see how the atmosphere at the venue of the Hornbill Festival inside Kisama. Chalo, let's go. Pomorong, and in protest against the killing of the innocent citizen at Oting village, they put up the banner which read as Barbaric Armed Force Special Power Act 1958 AFSPA. Shame on biggest democracy of the world. We condemn killing of innocent civilian. Home Students Union Kohima. And here we have another. Yeah, we strongly condemn the killing of innocent civilians by the security forces. Yeah, this is how the Naga people are protesting against the killing of the innocent civilian. And we have another pamphlets that is put up in front of the Konyak Murung. And of course we have another banner that read as Revoke Armed Force Special Power Act 1958 immediately. Yeah, these are the slogan that they have put up in front of the Konyak Murung. This is how Naga people are voicing against the killing of the innocent people at Oting. Yeah, remove bloodthirsty Indian Armed Forces from Nagaland. We condemn killing of our innocent children. Revoke Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 immediately. Yeah. And we have another. Yeah, it reads us ambush on civilian, shame on Indian Armed Forces. Yeah, this is how the people of Nagaland are voicing against the killing of the innocent citizen. Yeah, this is a black flag, and here we can see it is raining. Normally in December in Nagaland we rarely see raining, but even the nature is mourning with the death of our Naga brother. Look at the Kanyan Murung. Nobody's here except some few tourists. See, this Murung is also empty. It looks deserted in most of the Murung. This is Yimkung Murung. In front of the Yimkung Murung also we have some pamphlets which read us remove bloodthirsty Indian Armed Forces from Nagaland. Yeah, here we have another pamphlets, Revoke Armed Forces Special Power Act immediately. This is Chang Murung. Only some few people who are taking care of the Murung. You can see this is Sangtam Murung, one of the 6 tribes of Eastern Nagaland. Here, see, totally burn ho jase, mane so close. This is the Second World War Museum. Yeah, in most of the time in this Murung also there used to be a crowded during this Hornbill Festival, but today you can see some few people who are loading their thing in their police car. They are packing their bag to go back home, I believe. All the stall has emptied by now. Yeah. I believe even the nature is mourning with the death of our Naga brother. In most of the time in December, we see a rarely rainfall in December. These people came from Manipur, so said they have came to Nagaland from that far, and they have to go back. I feel so sorry for them. Over there, you can see people are loading to go back home. There we have another small loaded with the thing. They are going back. Bye. They are going back after the decision of the government of Nagaland that the remaining 10-day celebration of Hornbill Festival has cancelled by the Nagaland government cabinet. Mokan Nijor Nagamano innocent brothers who were mercilessly killed by the paramilitary forces. Aro taikan iniga murai digana mokan family members, relatives, aro Nagamano sob manu iniga mon dukpra morn kuri thagadam de. Festival itu continue kuri gana jaisha golitu. Itu image bishi biya hobole thakse. Hoile bi Nagaland state government bra itu step ekdom bhal logena. Remaining Hornbill Festival itu cancel kuri diatu ekta bishi bhal step loise gogena ekta mokan believe kuri ase. Inika hi mokan naga manu inika duk time te aro kan sukupani gira time te khushi time sob ekta hi ina thagina unity bahar manu khan ke inika dikhai thakse gole to bishi bhal ase gogena ekta mokan itu encourage kuri ase inika hi continue kuribole mokan parthana kuri thakibo aro aji mokan naga video yate pra conclude kuri ase. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.